replacing the belt on your vacuum cleaner, what you want to do is first loosen the screws. Don't take them all the way out, just loosen them. Release each of the retaining clips. Then the clips here and here. And what you want to do is lift up like you're trying to upright the vacuum and pull towards you. Okay, set that aside. Secondly, with both hands firmly grasp and pull towards yourself and up to relieve tension of the belt. Set the old belt aside. This is also a good opportunity to clear away any debris inside your vacuum cleaner. And to cut the strings off your brush roll with the razor blade. This is the #1 way to burn through a belt right here. Is to get too much debris and strings wrapped around your brush roll. This was cleaned off probably 4 or 5 days ago, and it's that bad again already. This all needs to be done about every 2 months to 6 months, depending on how much carpet you have. We have quite a bit of carpet. Okay, just get all the big stuff off. Make sure there's nothing wrapped around inside the ends. And you're good to go. Okay. That's what you want to do. Again, check for any debris, any cracking or damage. Get your new belt. And this is an important step. You never want to try to put it on the brush roll and then the drive shaft. Always put it on the drive shaft first. Make sure it's not caught on anything. Wrap it around the end. It looks like that. Now, this is where it can get a bit tricky because these things are tough. What you want to do is firmly grasp as close to the belt as possible while trying to hold it on that thick spot with your thumb. Grab the front of the vacuum with the other hand so you can use both arms to stretch. Firmly pull and get it seated in its proper position. Then worry about the other end. Okay, another important step. Always turn your brush roll a few times because it can get caught between your plastic and you're going to have to do this again after you turn it on for the first time. Okay, everything looks good. Now, when putting this back on, what you want to do is lift the front towards you. See, this thing will kind of sort of turn down a little bit. Make sure they go in first. Line them all up. Then in reverse, lift the vacuum towards you, then push it down. You will hear 2 clicks. There's the first one, there's the second one. Okay, again, turn your brush roll to make sure the belt's not caught. Put your retaining clips back into place, and you just want to snug them down until they start getting a little hard to tighten. Alright. And that is all there is to it. I know from working in a vacuum shop, that's a $35 job if you pay for it.